But for the first question, it says for each genotype below, so remember the letters, just you want to write down if it's heterozygous or homozygous. So we're practicing the terminology. So remember, homozygous means two of the same, and heterozygous is one of each. So with the first one, the two uppercase T's, would we have hetero, H-E, or H-O? You're going to say same or different. You can say H-O, H-E. The two uppercase T's. Yeah. So, and Gabe said H-O, same. Yes. So then for that part, you just are going to figure out if it's two of the same, exactly the same like the letters, or if it's going to be two different letters. So like capital D and lowercase d would be He, heterozygous. So that's what you're going to do for the first part whenever it decides to load for you. Oh, some people's are loading, so just keep refreshing. Be patient. I know, it's all messed up. I'm sorry, guys. All right, so then number 2, use the following information in table 1 for all the traits that you're going to hear about. It is about SpongeBob. And you're going to write the phenotype, the physical appearance. So there is always a genotype, a letter that goes with the physical appearance. So for this one, you're going to write down what the genotypes like code for. Remember I said genotypes are like the letters that code for a trait. So 2 uppercase G's. To figure out what the physical trait is, we look for these letter G's, and it has 2 uppercase. So it can only be this one. And what is that? Yes, it has a long nose. So you would just write long nose. I'll even type it in for you. I'm feeling nice. And then the 2 lowercase e's, again, we find the e's. And what's the only option? Yeah, blue color for their body. You can just write blue. Now we need to think about what happens if there's one of each. So what are the A's? A's are, yeah, so your options are round pants or square pants. And remember, the dominant gene is the one that shows up. So which one is it going to be? Yeah, so this one would be square. And then for number 3, what you're going to do is basically the opposite of what we just did. So use the information in table 1 to write the genotype or genotypes for each trait below. So we look for which one has a yellow body. We have yellow. It has the letter E. It's uppercase, so it's dominant. So there's going to be 2 options. It could be, does anyone know one option? 2 what? I'm going to need uppercase or lowercase. Yeah, 2 uppercase E's or 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase. Yes. Look at you guys. They're just like a half a second behind you online, but they're getting it. Oops. I just like them all together. So you guys seem to understand that one. Number 1, as long as it's 2 of the same, it would be homozygous. 2 uppercase or 2 lowercase, no matter what, 2 of the same, homozygous.